Just wow. I freaking hate Ash and Dawn. Why? Because they are such cooperating freaks with no life. What can I do to them? Wait. It's 5 a.m. I should do something to them while they are still sleeping. Wait. I know. I will wake them up with an air horn. So Dawn will cry like she misses her Piplup. And Ash will be so angry. Hot 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 hot. But first, I will go get the air horn. There. I got the air horn. Now I will go to their mansion and wake them up. Alright. I am at their mansion. Now I will go inside. Alright. I am in Dawn's room. Time to wake her up. I will pull the air horn in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Someone help me with that stranger.
Hot 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 hot. That was so funny. Now it's time to do it to Ash. Now I will wake up Ash with this air horn. I am going to pull the air horn in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap, holy crap, that air horn was so loud. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. Czar, did you just wake me and Dawn up with that air horn? Because I heard Dawn waking up and I heard her crying loud.
Yes. I woke you and Dawn up with the air horn, and that's the truth.
Are you kidding me? Czar Baldy Bald IV. How dare you wake me and Dawn up with the air horn? You know me and Dawn need to sleep longer. That's it. Go home right now before I call Officer Jenny.
Czar, I just got a call from Ash that you woke him and Dawn up with the air horn. Is that true? Tell me right now.
Yes, it is. I did this to Ash and Dawn because they deserve it.
Czar Baldy Bald IV. How dare you break into Guitar Hero 2 and Guitar Hero Encore, rocks the 80s practice stage and wake Ash and Dawn up with the air horn. That's it. You're grounded for 5 weeks. Put the air horn away and go to your room now.
Wow.